Hi people, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You are watching Technoxity. So guys, if your channel is monetized and if you are already started earning from YouTube, then you might know of different ways of earning from YouTube. So guys, in this way you also know what is a super chat or a super sticker. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you guys can enable the super chats if you don't know, and make sure you watch this completely. Let's head over to the PC screen. I'll explain you everything in detail and let's get the video started. So guys, first you open up YouTube and go towards your icon or the profile picture, and then you guys can go to YouTube Studio. That is the place where you do everything on YouTube. So head over to your dashboard, and over here there is this monetization section and a lot of other sections. So first of all, you have to head over towards your monetization section. I know you guys have enabled your monetization there, and earn money from YouTube channel, and there is a learn more section, video advertising, there are supers, and there is everything about the information there. So how do you guys enable a super chat for your live stream or a premiere? You guys will have to head over to the super section there. Super chat and super stickers give fans a new way to connect with you. Earn extra revenue from your live streams and premieres. When they are on, your viewers can purchase special chat messages and stickers to get your attention and stand out of the crowd while you're streaming. So click on get started, and you will have to read this terms and conditions completely, and then go completely down, and then you'll have to accept the conditions. You have to tick this one, and then fill in the name. You have to just give in your name and company name, and give up your email ID here. So email ID is done. Now let's click accept. So now follow best practices. You may earn more super chat revenue by following these steps. You guys can go ahead and attend the masterclass. Your super chat and stickers activity. No super chats yet. We aren't able to show super chat transactions at this time. So I have enabled both of them. Review your user agreement, and you guys can go ahead and read that as well. So this is the user agreement. If you are find violating this one, then you will be banned or stopped from getting the super chat enabled. So read these carefully, and that's it guys. This is the way. It is completely easy. You guys can just go ahead and make this setup in just 2 to 3 clicks, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed for more awesome content coming up in few weeks or few days, and that's it. Goodbye.